Ignatius of Antioch, a first-century bishop martyred around 110 AD, left behind 7 authentic letters that scholars have scrutinized for centuries. Some claim these writings support papal supremacy, but the evidence tells a more nuanced story. While Ignatius emphasized the importance of bishops and church unity, he never suggested Rome held universal jurisdiction over other churches. In his letter to the Romans, he praised their church, but notably avoided calling the Roman bishop a supreme authority. Instead, Ignatius championed a hierarchical structure within local churches, with each bishop governing his own community. His writings reflect early Christianity's episcopal structure, where bishops held equal authority in their respective regions. The concept of papal supremacy would develop centuries later through historical and theological evolution. Understanding Ignatius requires reading his words within their historical context, not through the lens of later ecclesiastical developments. His legacy remains one of martyrdom and faithfulness, not papal advocacy.